All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Okay, so BTC looks like it's moving on up. We've hit the 68.2 mark. I think it's went up to 68.6, 68.7. And right now that seems to be a psychological, well, not a psychological barrier, but just a barrier for BTC to break. But I think we're on the cuffs of breaking 70K again. I think we're very close. Again, if we remember, this is October, and yeah, prices typically go up during this month, and it looks like history is repeating. So yeah, I think if we get I think if we can get 70K by, and remember the crypto market's open 24/7, so we could potentially get this over the weekend. I think it's very likely that we get this over the weekend. Before I continue, let me do a quick mic check. Let me do a quick mic check to make sure my mic is working, to make sure I'm not just talking to myself. Give me just a sec. Give me just a sec. I don't know why my page is not popping up. Let me do a quick mic check to make sure my mic is working. All right, sounds like my mic is working. Looks like my mic. And sorry for the clothes in the back. I just finished washing clothes. I usually put them out to air dry, and today was one of those days. I usually do it every Friday. I wash clothes, I sweep the floor, wash my sheets, things like that. So that's why I have a bunch of clothes in the back. But yeah, so let's take a look at these charts. Let's take a look at BTC. Let's see where BTC is at, where we're heading to. Very exciting times if you are a crypto investor. All right, so if we look at the chart, let's take a look at BTC. Let's scope out. So if you guys remember, we were consolidating for a while, right? And yeah, we got to go out to the alt chart. So yeah, we were consolidating for a while in this. Let's see, in this 64 to 61 range, and even a little bit lower, like that 59. But we were just consolidating there for about since March, right? If we look at the top here, we've been really consolidating in this channel for the last 8 to 9 months, and it looks like we're breaking out of that channel now. It's funny because there's a bunch of like short sellers on Instagram or on X that they're always talking about I'm shorting BTC, I'm shorting BTC, and I'm not sure why you would be shorting BTC going in the most historical month of crypto, which is October, and it's a halving year, and typically the year after the halving comes along, it's typically the parabolic year where everything goes crazy. So I'm not sure why you would be shorting BTC at these levels. Just insanity. But it's funny to see. It reminds me of the times where I used to trade, like I used to trade penny stocks back in college and a little bit after college. And I would be in the stock forums, and there'd just be so many negative people on each side. So if you were like a bull, you would be negative against the short sellers, and if you were a bear, you would be negative against the bulls. And it's the same thing in crypto, even when it's a proven. The thing about crypto is funny because it's a proven track record that every 4 years after the halving, we get this parabolic cycle, and people still tend to short BTC, which doesn't make any sense. So I know a lot of people are getting liquidated, and that's kind of what you see in the chart. Like these dips here, these people tend to get liquidated, and that's just the way it goes, right? This is how we get. Honestly, I think this is how the self-fulfilling parabolic move comes into fruition because you get a lot of people short selling, you got a lot of people going long, you got a lot of people 3x, 4x, 5x leverage, 6x leverage on these exchanges, and this is what causes this parabolic stuff. But also just the fundamentals of crypto itself, Bitcoin, the fact that it's a limited supply. A lot of these coins are limited supply. So, but yeah. So today's October 18. Yesterday was a full moon. So, on a full moon, people say it's typically good things happen, or not good things happen, freakish things happen on a full moon, whether it's good or bad. So yesterday was a full moon, and in BTC was moving on up. So it looks like the full moon was more positive for BTC. And yeah, I think we're going to be breaking out of this channel either this weekend or the week to come. And also next week, there's a conference in Dubai, a crypto conference. I got to see what it's called. Let me get the name of it real quick so that way I'm not just referencing any random, I don't have the name of it. Give me just a sec. Dubai Crypto Conference next week. So it's the Blockchain Life 2024. It's through October 22nd through the 23rd. It's in Dubai, crypto event of the year. There's a lot of projects that are going to be there, a lot of VCs and things like that. So it kind of just coincides with the bullish narrative. A lot of these conferences take place at the end of the year, especially the year of the halvening. And next year, I'm not sure, but okay, so December 6th, they have the Arabian Crypto Expo. And then what else? And then it looks like in March. So in March, it looks like there's another crypto expo as well. So I'm pretty sure a lot of those are going to be taking place next year, the new year. But nothing's stopping this. Whether we have crypto expos or not, it's going to be very bullish for the cryptocurrency space going towards the end of 2024. I honestly think, and after the election too. All right, so remember, 4 years ago, if we look at the chart, so 4 years ago was 2020, was the last election. So let's go back to the chart and let's look at what happened after the last election. All right, let's take a look. So 4 years ago, 2020, and let's look at right here, 10:05, my birthday. So 10:05, right, and then we start going up towards the end of October, right? That bullish run, that parabolic move, going into the election, which was right around here, right? And then probably like the day after 11:04 is when we had the results. So yeah, and nobody knows who's really going to be well, people have predictions of who's going to win. Obviously, like we have the poly markets that show what people think, who people think are going to win, who people think is going to win the election, whether it's Trump or Kamala. I really don't care, but yeah, we're very close to that time, right? So you see in the previous 4 year cycle around that 2020 end of October going into the beginning of November, we basically went parabolic, and it's right here. It's this section right here, this little area, and that's where we're at right now. And to be honest, so what people are saying, we're gonna get, well, that is true right here. Well, it was kind of bullish the whole year. Oh, actually, no. So yeah. So we got to an all-time high by like March timeframe, right? March timeframe, and then we dipped out, and then we went parabolic again around that October area. So this is when we peak out. So, and this is my thing with people that I'm seeing online, right? People online in the crypto space, a lot of the crypto channels say, oh, we're going to peak out, which is true. We're going to peak out at the end of 2025, which if you look at the chart, we really peaked out around April, we dipped and then we went up a little bit more. So yeah, you could say that we peaked out around the end of November. We're probably gonna have two, like we'll have a peak like in around April. We'll dip again, and then towards the end of the year, we'll get another rally up. But we really peak at the start of at that time where we had the halvening, which was April. So I think we're really gonna peak around that March to April. We'll get a dip, and then we'll probably go in, and then towards the end of the year, it's gonna get really bearish, right? There's probably gonna be some type of black swan event where it's like, okay, crypto crashes. I think last time was like the FTX stuff where we had that, or it was I forget what caused the crash of 2021 when it came to crypto. I think it may have been like the FTX where it just sucked out. Look, yeah, it was the FTX thing. So it just kind of sucked out all the liquidity in crypto. A lot of people lost their money. There was a lot of selling going on and things like that. So that pretty much started the crypto crash of 2021, and we're probably going to see something like that in 2025. So just get prepared. It's going to be a real bullish time in the crypto space. Very excited. I am a crypto investor. This is where all my money's at right now. Now, like I said before, I am going to diversify once I get my crypto gains in the in the 2025 bull run, and then I'm going to get into some stocks. One of the stocks that I'm looking at is Intel. Right now, Intel, if you see it's crashed recently, and I think it's a really, in my opinion, not financial advice, but I think it's a really good buy. It's sitting around 22. I'm not sure what it ended up today, but it's sitting at 22. The highest it's been, it's at 75 bucks, $80. So I'm going to, hopefully, by the time I get my crypto gains out of the market, it's still at a good price. I'm hoping to get it at 25 or lower. I would love to get it sub 20. Like if I could get Intel at 15 bucks, I mean, for me, that's a game changer. I wouldn't be in it so long, but I wouldn't mind holding it for 2-3 years, right? Because my goal in this whole crypto thing is to get ready for the next bull run in 2028. What a lot of people don't understand about the crypto bull run, after this crash, 2025, you want to take your gains out, and then you want to, if you get into anything, it should be something that is a blue chip stock. So for me, Intel has been here for a long time, and then also it's on a dip. You don't like right now, Nvidia for me is just overpriced. I think Nvidia is going to go up, but I think it's going to get a correction. Maybe it goes to like 200 bucks before it gets that correction, but if you look at the chart, it's very overextended. So I don't want to put my crypto gains in something that's really overextended. And for me, Intel is one of those plays that is going to be like, I think it's going to do good. One, because we talked about it before. They're coming out with their AI chips. Two, I mean, if I look at my work laptop, Intel's on that. It's on a lot of work laptops as well. A lot of companies use Intel processing. And again, they're trying to come back in the AI or the GPU space. And remember, NVIDIA is the champ now in the GPU space, but it can't sell these $40,000, $50,000 chips forever. People are not going to go for that. So they're going to find a way to make cheaper chips, same quality but cheaper. And I don't think they're going to have such they may still be the top dogs, but there's going to be like AMD, Intel. They're going to get a piece of that. So I'm definitely betting on the companies below Nvidia, slightly below, not too below where it's like you're gambling your money. Intel, like I said, it's been a company that's been here for a while. So yeah, that's my opinion. It's very bullish. The market's very bullish, and it's going to be very exciting times. I would say next week we're probably going to start seeing something really nice in the crypto market. Don't be surprised if we're at 80, 85. Who left a comment here? Oh, JRBR. Meme Pew. This is one will blow up the planets towards Neptune. I'm not sure what that coin is, but I'm pretty sure a lot of meme coins will go big, but I don't invest in meme coins. I think they're very risky. If you are going to do it, probably stick to the ones at the top, but again, not financial advice. Like I think Pepe is probably going to be like it's probably gonna be the Dogecoin of this bull run. But I have no idea what meme coin Pew is. This one will blow up the planets. Yeah. All right, that's pretty much it. So the crypto markets are looking good. I think this weekend we may break all-time highs. So pay attention. I think right now, these next couple months, you really want to be paying attention, especially if you're a crypto investor. And then going into the new year, we're that close. November's right around the corner. December's right there, and then bam, 2025 is here. Just some housekeeping items. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, Mr. Financial Nutrition, TikTok Financial Nutrition. I'm actually cutting back the posting that I'm doing on there. I think I probably have like around 65 to 60 to 65 posts on Instagram and stuff. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm focusing on YouTube. Right now, we have a total of 810 subscribers. I'm trying to get that to 1,000 by the end of the year. Probably won't get it by the end of the year, but going into the new year, I think the first quarter, we could definitely hit 1,000 subscribers. Should be pretty cool. Big achievement for channels. And then two, I want to come up with a kind of a content style for Instagram. I don't want to just cut and stuff out of my live stream and then post it on Instagram, because it's just not, the quality is just not there, and it's just not resonating with people. So I want to take some more time with that. So I'm just going to focus on the YouTube, get this to 1,000 subscribers, hopefully next year. And then I'm going to probably focus on like posting videos on Sunday. I'm going to do the live. I've been doing the live streams every day. I'm just going to stick to that because I like doing the live streams. And then, Sunday I'll post a video. I'm going to try to post a video, but I'm trying to wait for crypto gains so I can actually show some good stuff, show some investments and things like that. So it should be fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good weekend and take care.